What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to do a product review and installation, or at least in this video we're going to do a product review and installation. Now, I'm currently sitting up here at my receiver. I just left the house this morning. I got there yesterday. I came up here to see if I can get unloaded early, but they're busy, so my appointment's not till 7 o'clock tonight. They're going to try to get to me. I got to go check back in at 2. It's 11:30 right now. But anyway, so I figure while I'm here, let me do this little product review, and I might go ahead and install them while I'm here. They're easy. But I bought some new fog lights for my truck, and the reason being is that the cheap plastic ones that I have in my truck right now, they broke off the mounting bracket. Not the built-in mounting points that are built into the bumper, but on the housing itself. So anyway, at the time when I bought those fog lights, they didn't have OEM LED lights for the 587 or the 579. Well, now they do, so I went ahead and ordered them. And this is what it is, right here. And if you drive a 587, 579, if you recognize the mounting plates, it's got 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. These are a direct replacement for your fog lights on a 587 or the 579. Okay, now I've opened up one of them, and let me tell you, this thing has got some weight to it. It's got an aluminum die-cast housing. That's not plastic, that's metal, that's aluminum. Okay, even the mounting is all aluminum. It's all heavy duty. These are $59.95 a piece. You can get them at Rainey's Truck Parts online. I will put a link in the description for it. And it's got a real hard plastic lens on it, and then it's got the LEDs. Now what's good about this one, if you notice these little arches right here at the bottom and top, those light up white. They're like parking lights, or driving lights, or whatever. Okay, they get wired into a separate switch. Now it says, it's plug and play. This plug will plug directly into the plug on your truck. However, on my particular truck, I'm going to have to do some wiring. Okay? Because I had to cut these off. I don't know if I still have them. If I do, I'll put them back on. If not, I'm going to have to figure something out. But anyway, for you guys that still have the OEM factory fog light, it should be just plug and play. However, you see this little third wire right here? This is the wire that powers these arches. Okay, so you're going to have to wire those up separately to a switch, mount it to your dash or something to be able to turn those on. All you have to do is run a power wire. Connect the wire here, run it to a switch, and then run that to a power source. That's all you got to do. But I've already done that on mine when I was sitting at wherever I was at, receiver the other day. But my first impression on this, and I have not lit it up, so I don't know how it looks like. It's just my first impression. The fact that it's heavy duty. I mean, it's got some weight to it. It's not plastic. It's I don't know if you hear it. That's metal, powder coated or painted or whatever. But it's heavy. It's got some nice heat shrink, or what do they call it? To dissipate the heat. Cooling. And it comes in a package like this. This is my second one. And they're made by United Pacific, which is very well known in the trucking industry for lights and stuff. They do come in 2 different versions. They come with the blackout version, which is the version I got, and that comes in the chrome version, which you see a picture of it right here. Let me read you some specs on it. It's got 6 high-power Cree LEDs in them, which are my favorite. Crees are the best in my opinion. Aluminum die-cast housing provides maximum protection from the elements. Plugs into existing wiring harness. For you people that haven't changed your fog lights out, it'll plug directly into mine. Mine, on the other hand, I gotta do some modifying. Here's technical specs. 800 lumens, 10 volts to 30 volts DC input, 12 volts DC input, 1 amp. Power consumption 12 watts. Color is white, 5000K. High power LED fog light, Peterbilt 579, 587, and Kenworth 660. So if you have a Kenworth 660 and you want fog lights, these will work. They're IP65 waterproof, and the very most important spec, read it right there, DOT and SAE approved. So I don't care how bright they are, DOT officer comes up and says, hey, you can't have those. Yes, you can. They're approved. So that's my first impression. That's I guess next I need to install them. All right, got everything wired up. I got everything wired up to this I gotta get some longer screws to mount it, but anyway, I don't have the fog lights plugged in here, but I got the driving lights or the parking lights that are on the fog lights mounted in here. They got a separate fuse, and then I'll put that cover back on, or that back on, and then that back on. Everything's wired up. Now let me show you these driving lights. As you can see, the 2 arches, the top and bottom, are lit up. On that side, and on that side. Made a wiring harness, plugs into here, goes up and across my bottom of my grill. And down here, I gotta zip tie that. So that's that. Let me show you the fog light. Alright, those are my parking lights that are built into the fog lights. They're pretty damn bright. You can see a little pattern on the ground. But no, those aren't my fog lights that are on. Those are just those 2, the top and bottom arch thing. Now let me show you the fog lights. Now the fog lights are on. And you can see they are bright. Let me show y'all the light pattern. That's fog light pattern. They work pretty good. Alright, I got those fog lights installed. Sorry, editing a video. Got my fog lights installed, got them wired up. I even got the I'll call them arches. I guess they're used for, I guess, parking lights. You know, if there's a space to the left of you or a space to the right of you, and you're in a dark place, I can turn those on. So hopefully the person's smart enough when they're backing up, either wherever, they see those, and it gives them kind of a reference point to where my bumper is, you know, because they're real close to the edge. So yeah, the fog lights obviously are wired into my fog light switch in my dash, and then the driving light part of it is wired into my 6-button switch, which I'll show you a picture of that right now. So yeah, that's my little touchscreen 6-button switch. I got 4 buttons that aren't being, well, 3 buttons now that are not being used. Number 4 and 5 are the lights on my fairings, so I can see down there to the end of my trailer, and then the lights on the back, the shine down on the reefer unit and stuff. But anyway, my review on them, the build quality is excellent. They got some weight to them. It's all aluminum die-cast body. The lens on it, I think, is a really hard plastic. It feels like glass, but it's really, really, really good quality. The brightness of it, they're bright. They're dual function. You know, they got those arches for, you know, parking lights, or I mean, I guess you could use them for driving lights, but my driving lights and my headlights are pretty bright. I got some bright bulbs in there, but I guess it would be for, you know, marker parking lights. So that's a cool function to them. They're a direct replacement for the Peterbilt 587, which is what I have, and the 579. I'm pretty sure they fit the Ultraloft 579 as well. They also fit the Kenworth T660. So they plug right into your wiring harness. You don't have to do anything. They're plug and play. So I'm gonna leave a link down in the description of where I got them from, and they come in 2 different variations. They come with the blackout ones, which is the one I have, and then they come with the chrome ones. So click on the link, go get you some if you're a Peterbilt owner. Highly recommend it. You'll love them, trust me. And so yeah, that's going to end my review on them. I will always get these. If these go out, I'll just buy them some more and put them on there. I love them. So anyway, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and when you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification button, that bell button that's right next to it, so you get notified when I upload reviews, installations, you know, daily vlogs, or just, you know, whatever. And comment down below about anything. So I'll see y'all in the next video.